Hello Taurus and Virgos, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. This reading is going to be right from, just give me a second. Yeah, 27th of, I was about to say October. I don't know, something is going to happen in the month of October, around 27th of October, but this is for 27th of September 2021 and so on, okay? But I feel like around that date, some important decision is coming because I heard the message like it is like something is in the beginning, okay? So the beginning stage of something. So possible in the month of October, you're going to travel, you're going to receive something specific, okay? It's not just like you're going to a salon. No, it is something important. So it's just the beginning. Possible it is something specific connected with your relationship. So it's in the beginning stage, okay? Whatever it is, I feel that kind of energy. I'm hearing officially. Something will be announced officially within relationship or work situation here, but something is going to be official. Official announcement, I'm sorry, or official bond, contract, something that you're going to sign. And this is important because it is also giving me the energy of October, okay? So remember, because I always say like these are timeless, but again, it depends, okay, on your timeline. These are general vibes. But I kind of get this when I was about to say 27th of, like I got this message of October. I don't know why it is coming. So possible some important confirmation is around the corner, announcement is there, you know. Let's see. Yes, there's going to be something that is like a messenger, like a message is going to be with you, email is going to be, it's official, something is going to be signed, signature, registration, approval, sponsorship, okay? Something is going to be approved even. I'm telling you that. It is also about documents, okay? Something is here that you're going to read twice, thrice, and you're going to head towards having counseling regarding that. Possible it's a legal thing, but official. So it, yes. So Jack of Spades is here, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius possible, but as an energy form, it is something that is going to be received by you. On an official note, blah, 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 whatever your area is, your department is, what you do. This is coming. It is also something that is coming as in the form of page. It is some curiosity connected with your next phase of your life. It's in the beginning. This may be love, this may be any kind of situation, because these are general reading, not personal. Some of your desire is coming true. It's like really, I'm hearing release. So officially something is giving you freedom, release here. Possible 9 of Cups is whatever you desire or did desire is coming true in the picture. Like, oh wow, okay. Some of you are registering your relationship here, like kind of like marriage is happening, or at least you're registering your home, you're moving in. Okay, some of you are getting married and moving in, some of you are purchasing home, some of you are getting what you always desired. This is about being with the one from last 8 years or so. Officially this is being signed. Something is being signed here, I feel. Something is also in the beginning, okay? Something is in the beginning. Tell you, look, Jack of Hearts energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, which is page is here. Something is starting. 6 of Swords. You've come a long way here. Some of you are traveling with this person who is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, someone who is very much concerned about you. This may be the trip. You're about to meet younger Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. It does depend upon where you fall, okay? If you are younger to the person. But I feel, because this is a sign specific, I feel someone who is younger than you, possible in this situation, you're traveling and you're going to meet this person, or they are going to meet you there, wherever you are going, okay? They can be of great help to you, kind of. However, you may be of same age group. It doesn't matter, because I don't know who is listening to this, okay? But whatever they are trying to tell me, it's about certain kind of search that you're going to do where you are going. But also it's in the beginning. So in the beginning, possibly you're going to get a lot of counseling or help here. Like right people will be around you. You're in touch with the person. They're going to give you official things. They're going to be officially helping you as well, okay, which makes sense because if you are searching something here, because I talked about Four of Wands energies like home, purchase, moving in, shifting kind of energy is also coming. They're going to be good help to you. I feel someone's presence is going to be here, okay. It's about they're going to tell you the route, the systems and all that stuff. You're going to travel a lot, so possible this is about in the next 6 months you're going to travel a lot, okay, every now and then, and arrange something, official arrangements, emotional arrangements, getting official help, emotional help. I also kind of get this, these 6 months will be about twists and turns of what is important, what is not, what I need to do, what I have to fix kind of energy. But something is in the beginning, and in order to do that you're also leaving certain thing, releasing, getting released from somewhere, like it's kind of job you're leaving, okay. I'm not getting this vibe of like getting, you know, fired. It is about leaving, kind of like a, I'm sorry, apologize for the hiccup. This is something connected with resignation, like you're joining in order to join somewhere or have a new life kind of, you're leaving something behind, okay. Taking a release, okay, also taking break for healing and rejuvenation. Something will be confirmed in the coming time. Now this is again your in one go your energy, so maybe you are dealing with people and energies of your same interest matters, community, or same age groups, okay, it depends. Jack of Pentacles energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also here, but apart from that, because I'm doing just for Taurus, Virgo, I did Capricorn different. This energy is confirmation. In the future, it's going to be something that you're going to purchase, going to buy. Yes, purchase, definitely. Confirmation is definitely. Some of you are confirming your relationship here. It's also, I'm hearing certain people, small ritual or ceremony, and it is confirmed and no need to showcase it kind of energy is also coming. It's dedication that is also coming here. It's like after you do all this, you're going to stop somewhere for a while. I see here. For a while means before your next move. You will have to choose to stay. You can't be in this coming time so confused, but you're going to. But what I said is like you're going to stay for a while to fulfill your dreams and desires at some place particular. This is the place where you're going to earn. This is the place which is going to give you money and work, and you're going to meet a lot of people. It's going to fantasize you. It's going to give you more desires. It's going to be the lure at times that you need to be very careful regarding work and all that, and that's when this situation will help you and these people will help you, because these people won't be random. They are going to be staying by your side, connected with you kind of energy. It's like a wire kind of as well, like they are connected with you, okay. They're going to show you the world. They're going to show you that new different world kind of situation wherein, again, this may be just the beginning of something, your dreams and desires, but this is also coming up with a lot of stuff arranged which can create confusion and chaos, okay. So you need to choose one step at a time, like kind of like I want this, okay. So you're going to focus on that. You will have to be very careful. The reason, you won't know who is right, who is wrong. So stay with people or energies you know from a long time, okay. Stay in contact with them. Just don't walk on this lane where you can get confused. A lot of confusion that people may create in your life in the future, okay. Something will also give you that vibe of like, okay, eat this apple, there is there, kind of blah. Do you understand? So many noise, so many voices, basically you're going to hear and ideas and advices that may create that confusion around you, according to work or love. There may be admiration coming all the way, but remember that people who admire just you will be the one who admire you, and they are your friend. Not everyone is your friend. This is the advice coming in the future. Not everyone. You need to buck up. You need to have your guard. Please draw that line. Otherwise, the freedom may cause havoc as well, okay. There's going to be something that will be put in action, like in this next phase of your life. Look, Two of Wands energy is bringing something on the table, which is about your next moves, your next journey, your next explanation, your next choice. Decision, planning, preparation is coming ahead. You are visioning something in the future. You are heading towards somewhere. You're literally heading somewhere, okay? So this may be your next trip coming. I'm telling you, you're ready to explore. You are not going to stay in the comfort zone or something that was giving you that comfort. Okay, for some cases, comfort of like going out of home and exploring. This is also trying something new in work as well. It is also, it's just the beginning. I told you, it's in the starting phase of something. You will also meet or you know someone who may give you the advice, who may be King of Swords as per like a male energy, but not necessarily. This can be female as well, male or female, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, they know, so hear them out. They are going to give you better advice if you want. Okay, not everyone is interested in having advices because they have their own reasons and decisions, of course. But if you consider them important, if you know that they are right, if you know that they can tell you something in a better way, and you think that they've been right all the way in my life, like someone who is a mentor or someone who is your mother, father figure, kind of someone who is very close to you and they have experience, then they can give you that particular thing that you really want to hear. Okay, just be, I'm going to advise you here very much, this you can do, this you can do, kind of, but this is what can lure you. It's like it can involve people that you need not to allow to come close or enter in your life, or tell about your private life. Don't do that. Personal situations, personal relationships, life and scenarios, don't give away information to them. They are not supposed to be hearing that out from you, especially in this world where you are entering. It's just the beginning. Okay, so this is something, I can tell a lot of stuff, but this is also something like a snake energy, kind of something that is sitting there. You don't know that they can, you don't know that this dog, whatever dog is, like dogs are loyal, of course, but if they only know you, you've adopted them, you've been cherishing them for a long time, you bought them, you gave them love, you saw somewhere and you rescued them. Do you get it? Not every dog is loyal. Just a saying. Not every cat is loyal, not every pet is going to not bite you. Make sense? Because you need to give a lot to have a lot, kind of like. But this may be the situation that can lure you, give you an apple and the snake is there, a lot of stuff, don't just get into that. Let's see what is coming in the future for Taurus. A little bit of Two of Pentacles energy, it was at the bottom, which is about shifting, planning, choosing, priority. It's also leaving, hoping, option. It is also about here, personal, professional life, management. There's a lot of management I see in your life. A lot of expectations also in the future. These two cards are so important. Like this one is so important. Last one. Because it's your future. Predictions make sense when you work on that, and if you really want to achieve it, you're going to have it. There's also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Believe them if they say something, okay? They may be straight, rude at times, but they're going to give you the best advice. That's why I'm saying stick around with people, believe them, okay? Look, believe them and listen to them. They can change your thought process as well, like if you believe something and they're going to give you the right advice. Ace of Swords, there's initiation of something is coming, breakthrough is coming, your next flight is coming. There is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as I said, so some of you might be with them. Here and there situations coming, or next phase is just the beginning. They might tell you that. The Chariot may be Cancerian in particular, but listen to me. The Chariot is also the first card that I took out in this shuffle, like second card, sorry, after this. This is your travel, this is your move, making up your mind, mind and heart, collision, and then boom, deciding on something. Settling somewhere. Travel is definitely coming. This is a major change. So I told you about like in coming 6 months or so, you're going to have the changes. They are watching you. They're watching you for your security and concern. So please listen to someone who is close to you and they love you. This may be your husband or wife in that way, though it is a king, okay? Travel plans, trips, definitely. You're going to be somewhere where there is like a beach or water is there around, so maybe you're shifting to that place, possible. However, there's a water sign definitely. Nothing can stop me kind of energy is coming. Look, this is clear. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.